Did you know you can be fat, skinny, or even overweight, but still have a man begging to spend the rest of his life with you? Here is the thing. Relationships are built on deeper foundations than just physical appearance. You need to understand that. In this video, I'm going to share with you ways you can get any man to please you without ever changing who you are. You don't need to shrink yourself, pretend to be someone else, or even compromise your authenticity to be loved and appreciated. Let's get into the video. Now, the first tip on my list on how to get this man to please you without doing too much is to not to be desperate. You can't get any good man to worship you, love you, or treat you well when you are showing up as a desperate woman. Let me tell you something. Once you start displaying desperation or trying to get a man's attention, by all means, he will lose interest in you. Men love the idea of chasing. I always mention that here. They want to see you, admire you, walk up to you, talk to you, and win your heart. Not you being all desperate to get his attention or looking straight into his eyes seductively. You must learn to be in your feminine energy at all time. A feminine woman don't chase, she attracts. She is soft and always busy doing her thing. She is never chasing or trying by all means to get a man's attention. Loving yourself and recognizing your worth is the foundation of attracting the right partner. You need to be confident in yourself. You need to know your worth. No matter what you look like, no matter how you are, always carry yourself like the prize that you are. Carry yourself well. That's just it. Men love women who love themselves, who are calm, chilled, and coordinated. They love feminine women. You don't have to be dull or too quiet, but you must understand who you are. When you truly value yourself, the right person will see that and go out of their way to earn your attention and affection. You can't get any man to please you if you've attracted him through desperation. Being desperate as a woman can't get you the man of your dream. Running after him, chasing after him, doing everything, calling him, you are being too desperate, and men don't like that. When you act like you're already complete and confident, that is when the right person will come along and meet you at your level. You need to stay grounded on your self-worth even after you've secured the relationship. Don't force things. Learn to take things slowly. You are a queen. You are the prize. You are the bag. Be confident in yourself. That is the attitude that will pressure any man to please you. The next thing is to be playful and fun. Yeah. Men are the easiest to win over if you truly understand what it takes. To attract the man in my life, to attract the people around me, I did everything I'm sharing with you all. I'm not gatekeeping anything from you guys, okay? A light-hearted, playful attitude can make you irresistible. A lot of these men are naturally to women who bring joy and excitement into their lives. If there's one thing I know how to do best, apart from talking to you guys, is flirting. I just know how to flirt with men. I know how to compliment my men. That is one way I love to show appreciation. Men love when their women compliment them. Honestly, don't be too serious. Don't always complain. Be a fun person. When you're playful, you are showing that you are confident, you are comfortable, and you are not taking life too seriously. That alone can create a positive and engaging atmosphere in a relationship. This is a secret. If you can make a man laugh, like you are fun to be around, you have that mysterious side, maybe you always come up with fun or new activities, funny jokes, spontaneous adventures, or consistently bring fresh and exciting energy into a relationship, you will naturally stand out. He will not let you go. He will do anything, anything to keep you and please you. He will worship you. I'm telling you, men love to have fun. A lot of men, they love positive energy. They like to be in a place where there is fun, where there is excitement. They love to work hard, but after working hard and doing all of that to keep up with their life and make your own life better. They want to have fun with their loved ones. Okay, and if you can't give him that peace, if you can't give him that excitement, if you can't give him that joy, honestly, he's going to dump you for someone who is fun to be around. It's not easy to find someone with such a great vibe lately, because everyone is battling with one or two things. A lot of people are complaining, a lot of people are dwelling in their past and all that. But if you're someone in this generation and you have some good energy, trust me, any man who come across you will never want to let you go. Nobody want to be sad. People want to be happy. They want to be around things that brings them peace and joy. Okay, you must learn to be playful and fun. If you're looking for a man who will please you, a man who will treat you well, a man who will worship you, don't be a sad girl. Learn to do things that excite him. Maybe you're in a relationship right now, or you're still planning to get into one very soon, or someone is already admiring you, or you have some side niggas talking to you and you want to be a top girl in their life. Believe me, this is all you have to do. Just be his joy giver. Okay, sometimes you need to act a fool to make him your fool. Yes, just be playful and fun. He will do anything to keep you. Create activities around you, okay, that will excite him. Just be open to enjoying the moment. The next on my list is to take care of yourself. Listen, when you prioritize your well-being physically, emotionally, and mentally, it sets a standard for how you expect to be treated in a relationship. A man can easily fall for a woman who takes care of her physical health because it shows that she values herself and her body. No man wants to be with a woman who don't care for herself. You don't care for yourself. How then do you expect a man to care for you? You don't love yourself enough? I mean, how do you expect a man to love you? You need to take care of yourself. Take care of your body. You can exercise, eat well, practice good hygiene, make small changes like trying new hairstyle, keep your lashes and your nails groomed. All of this can help you feel better about yourself. Do things to enhance your beauty. Do things that will make you look better. Don't just ignore yourself because I said men will love you for who you are. You don't need to become someone you are not. Focus on looking and feeling your best in a way that aligns with your personality and style. You can make changes for yourself, not just for men or to attract people. You need to learn how to look better. Learn how to look good generally. Learn how to take care of yourself. You don't need to be a supermodel, but learn to do your little makeup. Let your lips be glossy and not dried all the time, okay? Moisturize your skin. Look sharp. Look clean. Look good at all times. If you really want to attract some good looking men and men that will honor you and respect you, you need to understand that a man will have to see you. Like, men are easily moved by what they see. They have to see you. They have to look at you. They have to admire you most time before they will even start seeing you than just a friend. Try to look presentable at all times. Dress well. Practice good hygiene. I mean, get your nails done, look good. All these little things make a big difference. The last tip on my list is to be independent. Being independent as a woman is a powerful way to get any man to respect you, to love you, to worship you, to treat you well, and ultimately want to please you. You need to have your own life and interest. When you train yourself to become independent as a woman, you will naturally attract men who will love. They will love to support you. They will love to treat you well. They will love to invest in you, appreciate you, and pursue you. When a man sees that you are capable of handling your own life, he will treat you as an equal partner. You don't sit around asking him to give you money for hair, give you money for this, begging him for everything, begging for his attention and all of that. He will respect you. He will treat you well. He will do everything to have you in his life. He will protect you because he knows that if he treats you bad or if he treats you in a manner that you don't like, you will walk away. And when you walk away, you are going to meet someone better. because you have values, because you have your own life going on for you. You are independent. Is one way to capture this man's heart and eyes. Believe me, being independent makes you more interesting. And when he knows you don't need him to complete you, he will put in the effort to win your affection. Your independence will challenge him to step up and prove his worth in your life. Pursue your passions. Manage your money. Set something so you can be making your own money. Maintain friendships and social connections outside the relationship. Have friends, good friends. Learn to go out and have fun on your own. Not must you will always go with him, always be around him, always begging for his attention. No, that's a huge, like a very big red flag. No man would want to please you when you're always dragging his trouser to give you attention. Make time for self-care and personal development. When you are doing all of this, building yourself, developing yourself, you are not just going to attract a man who will worship you, love you. You are going to attract a man who will also support you, a man who will place you above every other woman, a man who will go out of his ways to make sure you are always good, you are always progressing, and you are always happy. That's all. And because you watched to this end, let me give you a bonus tip. Let him lead. That is the bonus tip. When you finally meet that man, when you are in a relationship, or you have a man you really want to worship you, to adore you, to please you, allow him to lead. Don't pursue him. Don't do too much. Let him make most of the first move. Let him ask you out or turn the friendship into a romantic relationship. Now you asking him, what are we? When are we going to become husband and wife? When are we going to become boyfriend and girlfriend? No, allow him do all of that. Seriously, don't be too forward. Allow him. All you need to watch and know as a girl who is in a relationship or in a talking stage or in anything with a man, know when you are being patient and when you're wasting your time. But regardless, don't pressure a man. Man knows what they're doing, all of them. He's not crazy. He knows whether you are the one he want to marry. He knows when I want to go into something romantic with you. He knows all of that. I know sometimes it's okay to push them because when you push a man or pursue a man, you will continue to pursue him. When you push a man to get into something with you, you continue to push him. Have you not seen when a woman is loved or when a man is in love? Oh my goodness. When a man loves a woman, he gives her everything. Attention, support, time, affection, everything. He gives her all of that. She don't need to beg for it. She just relax and let him operate. These are the 4 things you need to do to get any man to please you. Okay, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Drop your thoughts down below. If you want to email me, go ahead and email me. Okay, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to watch my last video, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends. I will see you soon. Bye.